All right, today we're going to do a video of a Cincinnati 60AF. It's a 2-axis machine. It has a new control, updated as of June 2021 with their latest system. Right now I'm using the palm buttons, just coming down to a set dimension. You have ram positioning, also back gauge positioning. You can also switch over to your foot pedal. You have your foot pedal here. Move the back gauge. Again, you can change your changeover point. Everything is programmable through the control. Very user-friendly interface. Machine has USB and Ethernet port. It's presently wired 480 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.